How to make a league on FPL. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to create a new league on Fantasy Premier League, here is what you should do. First and foremost, make sure you have registered and set up your team in FPL app. Once that is done, head over to the application and go to the Fantasy section. Once you are in the Fantasy section, scroll down a bit and you will see the option of leagues and cups. However, if you have not created a team, you'll be asked to pick a team first and give it a name. Once that is done, you can scroll down and head over to leagues and cup. Now tap on the plus icon with the join leagues button. Tapping on it, you will see two options, private and public. So you can enter the private group or the league by the code provided by the league admin, or you can visit the link provided in order to create your own private league. This way, you just have to confirm on creating the league. Similarly, there's another public league. You can join up to 15 privates and 3 public league. Next up, you simply have to select the option of create a league and cup, give in the details, name your league and set details, tap on create and you're good to go. Once created, click on the options to invite others, and that way you have created your own league. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.